Hello, future mathematicians! I'm so glad you're here, ready to start this amazing journey with me. My name is णनखण, and I'll be your guide as we set off on an adventure into the fascinating world of numbers, shapes, and patterns. Together, we'll discover just how magical and fun maths can be. You might have heard that maths is hard or boring, but that's not true at all. Maths is like a giant puzzle waiting to be solved, and it's also a secret language that helps us understand everything around us, from how your favorite video games work, to how we explore the stars in the sky, and even how we build amazing things. Believe it or not, you already use maths every single day. When you count your toys, share candy with your friends, or even figure out how many slices of pizza everyone gets at a party, you're using maths without even realizing it. You also use maths when you check the time to see if it's time for your favorite show, or when you try to guess how long you have left to play before dinner. In this adventure, we'll start with the basics, learning about digits, number systems, and the special symbols that make maths work. These are the building blocks that help us solve bigger and more exciting problems. Next, we'll become shape detectives. We'll look for circles, squares, and all sorts of shapes hiding in everyday objects around us, and learn how these shapes fit together to make the world we see. You'll be amazed at how many triangles you can spot in your classroom, at home, or even outside in nature. By the end of our journey, you'll see maths as your very own superpower, a tool that helps you solve tricky problems, spot patterns everywhere, and think in creative new ways. So get ready to explore, discover, and most importantly, have lots of fun as we learn together. Let's begin this incredible adventure into the wonderful world of maths. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with digits, the building blocks of all numbers. Digits are the basic symbols we use to write every number you can imagine, from the smallest to the largest. Just like how letters form words, digits come together to create numbers. Without digits, we wouldn't be able to count, measure, or do any math at all. There are only 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These 10 simple symbols are all we need to write every number in the world. Think about it. Whether you're counting apples, stars, or even the number of people in a city, you're always using some combination of these 10 digits. In Hindi, digits are called णनखण. No matter what language you speak, the idea of digits stays the same. They're the foundation of all numbers. Different cultures may write them differently, but the concept is universal. Every number, big or small, is made by combining these digits. For example, the number 7 is just a single digit, but 27, 345, or even 1 million are all made by putting digits together in different ways. It's like building with blocks. The more digits you use, the bigger the number you can create. The secret to making different numbers is place value, where a digit sits in a number changes its value completely. Place value is what makes 12 different from 21, even though both use the same digits. For example, in 25, the 2 is in the tens place, which means it stands for 20, and the 5 is in the ones place, which means just 5. If you swap them to make 52, the value of each digit changes. In 347, the 3 is in the hundreds place, so it means 300. The 4 is in the tens place, so it means 40, and the 7 is in the ones place, so it means 7. Each digit's value depends on its position in the number. The same digit can mean very different things depending on where it is. For example, the digit 2 in 20, 200, or 2000 stands for 20, 200, or 2000 just because of its place. Place value lets us write any number, no matter how big, using just these 10 digits. It's a clever system that saves us from having to invent new symbols for every number we want to write. Imagine if we didn't have place value, we'd need a brand new symbol for every single number. That would make math incredibly confusing and hard to learn. Next time you see a number, take a closer look at its digits and where they are. You're not just seeing random symbols, you're reading the secret code of mathematics, where every digit has a special job. Congratulations! You've just learned the first and most important rule of the numbers game. With just 10 digits and the magic of place value, you can unlock the world of numbers and start your journey into math. People have written numbers in many ways. The system we use, 0 to 9, is called the Hindu-Arabic numeral system, invented in India and spread by Arab scholars. It's the world's favorite because of zero and place value. Before this, Romans used letters, I for 1, V for 5, X for 10. But Roman numerals made big calculations tricky. Today, computers use binary, a system with just 2 digits, 0 and 1. In binary, long strings of zeros and ones represent all numbers, letters, and even pictures. So, numbers have many languages: Hindu-Arabic for daily life, Roman for style, and binary for technology. Each system has its own story and use. Maths is a global story told in many ways. Now, let's learn the symbols that tell us what to do with numbers. The plus sign, plus, means add, jod, in Hindi. 3 plus 4 is 7. The minus sign means subtract. Gatav. 5 minus 2 is 3. The multiplication sign, x, means multiply. Guna. 4 times 3 is 12. The division sign means share equally. Bag. 8 divided by 4 is 2. The equal sign, is the judge. It shows both sides are the same. 2 plus 2 equals 4. There are more symbols like greater than das and less than to compare numbers. These symbols are a universal language. Everyone understands them. Learning them is like cracking a secret code. With these, you can solve problems anywhere in the world. You're now a maths code breaker. Let's uncover the secret of factors. णनखण. Factors are numbers you multiply to get another number. For 12, 2 times 6 and 3 times 4 are both factors. Every number has at least 2 factors, 1 and itself. For 10, the factors are 1, 2, 5, and 10. To find factors, look for pairs that multiply to your number. For 21 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. Factors help us break numbers into smaller parts and understand their structure. It's a detective game. Find all the factors and reveal the number's secrets. Try it with any number and see what you discover. Now, let's meet 2 special groups, prime and composite numbers. A prime number, abhajya sankhya, has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Examples, 2, 3, 5, 7. 2 is the only even prime number. Composite numbers, bhajya sankhya, have more than 2 factors. 12 is composite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Most numbers are composite, made by multiplying primes together. 9 is composite because it has factors 1, 3, and 9. 1 is special. It's neither prime nor composite. Every whole number greater than 1 is either a prime superstar or a composite team player. This idea is a cornerstone of number theory. Primes are the building blocks of all numbers. Let's jump into the world of shapes. Akar. 2D shapes are flat with length and width. The circle, varat, is perfectly round, like a coin or pizza. The square, varg, has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles, like a chessboard or window pane. The rectangle, ayat, has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, like a book or door. The triangle, trikon, has 3 sides, like a slice of pizza or a roof. Triangles are strong and used in bridges and buildings. These shapes are everywhere. Look around and spot them. By learning to see them, you're starting to understand the geometry of your world. Shapes are the building blocks of everything you see. You're now a shape detective. Let's level up to 3D shapes, solid objects with length, width, and height. The cube, gen, has 6 equal square faces like a dice or gift box. The cuboid, ganab, has 6 rectangular faces like a book or brick. The sphere, gola, is perfectly round, like a ball or the earth. Spheres have no edges or corners and roll easily. The cone, shanku, has a circular base and a point, like an ice cream cone. The pyramid, pyramid, has a flat base and triangular faces meeting at a point, like the pyramids of Egypt. 3D shapes are everywhere, from toys to buildings. Recognizing them helps you understand the structure of the world. You're now a 3D shape explorer. We've explored the fascinating world of digits, place value, number systems, and the secret symbols of maths. Each of these ideas is like a special tool in your mathematical toolbox, helping you understand how numbers work and how they connect to everything around us. From the very basics to more complex ideas, you've started to unlock the mysteries that make maths so powerful. You've learned about factors, prime and composite numbers, and the hidden structure of numbers. These concepts help you break down big problems into smaller, easier steps. Now, you can spot patterns, find shortcuts, and see how numbers fit together like pieces of a puzzle. You can now spot 2D and 3D shapes all around you, whether you're looking at a soccer ball, a window, or even the food on your plate. Geometry is everywhere, and your new skills help you see the world in a whole new way. Maths isn't just a school subject, it's a superpower that helps you solve problems, think logically, and make smart decisions every day. With maths, you can tackle challenges, invent new things, and even predict what might happen next. When you share snacks with friends, save up your pocket money, or build a tall tower with blocks, you're using maths without even realizing it. Maths helps you measure, compare, and organize the world around you, making everyday activities easier and more fun. Maths is everywhere and it's fun. Whether you're playing games, solving puzzles, or working with friends, maths brings people together and makes learning exciting. Every time you play a math game or solve a tricky problem, you're training your brain to be even stronger. Keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop asking questions. The more you explore, the more you'll discover. Remember, every great mathematician started with simple questions and a big imagination, just like you. You're a mathematician, and your adventure is just beginning. There are so many amazing things to learn and explore. With every new skill, you become even more powerful and confident. And remember, great tools make learning even more fun. Using interactive gadgets, colorful blocks, and creative games can help you understand maths in new and exciting ways. Universal Gadgets is offering a fantastic 50% discount on learning tools to make your maths journey even more exciting. With these tools, you can practice, play, and discover the magic of maths every single day. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to boost your superpower.